Strike King spinning with the Strike King Rage Tail with the Lose Hank Parker Speed Stick and the Lose Classic Combo Speed Spool. Lose Xfinity with the Lose Reactor, and I'll be throwing the Strike King Rage Tail on here. Rage Crawl, I mean. Sorry, there's a lot of noises going on out here distracting me. Alright, first cast. Getting ready to go out. Make sure everything's all good. I've never seen it this calm out here before. I wonder how different fishing is going to be now. Somebody's lying. My spinner's coming straight to the surface. I'm gonna have to adjust. Come up and smash her right there. Got you. On the top water. Came up and gulped it. Alright. Take it. Switched over to the top water. Got our first fish. Little dude just came up and gulped it. Get all that crap off. Oh, the hook stopped that. Hooked in my dang hand. Yo, Zuri 3D doing its job. Appreciate you. Wonder if we can get any more. Get anything bigger. Is there anything else around? We got some wind moving in. Okay. Well, apparently I should have been recording because just got hooked up on the top water unexpectedly. Figured out to learn my lesson. That'll just be the little intro to how we'll keep the camera on. You missed it. I was all looking off in the distance, not paying attention. This little guy up here just missed it. Move on. Everybody get your roll on. Man. The bite has been tough. Tougher than what it normally is, that is for sure. It is just a different day, of course, but It's parallel with the bank. It's gonna try to jump. I know it is. Stay down. I told you. Look at it. Little mean thing. Come here, you. Alright, golly. Oh man. Heck yeah, man. Oh crap. This one is not gonna make it. Uh-oh. I'll be back. Alright. Alright, let's see. There's a whole section of the pond I haven't fished yet, and I really want to try it out. Got you finally. Look at that. On the crawl. Yep, I'm recording too. Stay down, stay down, stay pinned. See, this thing is about to jump. These things are so... Get up out all that grass though. Cause you going on the striker. I mean, if you pulling how I think you pulling, you might just be in a bunch of grass. Oh no, you was just in a bunch of grass. You ain't going on that stringer. Dang, but you meant that. Here we go. So is this one that I caught before? Look at that. It's got a puncture wound in the side of his cheek where I've been hooking him. Let me see. Can you see on the inside? No, you definitely can't when I'm doing that. But even there on the inside of its mouth, you can see. That's nuts. I'm pretty sure I've caught this fish twice. And if it wasn't me... Okay then. Dang, dance your happy ass back. That thing was not waiting. It's like, shit, I'm trying to go. Let me out here. Well, a few casts in after throwing a spinner for a while. And I don't know how the spinner's going to work over here, but I switched up to the blue crawl. put one on the bank, so that feels good. He didn't hammer it, but he did stop me in my tracks. That feels cool. So I'm always curious to see how the strike, the bite is gonna be. I can cast without hitting record. My bad, yo. Oh, we're starting to get rained on. I was wondering what that sound was, and it was rain coming from the south side of me, my right side. Well, on today's episode of Jermaine Fishing, we are fishing in the rain. Good thing that my camera gear is water resistant. Oh, gotta make sure my lens stays in. Oh, did I miss that one? I missed one. Yeah, that was a good bite too. I was like, yeah. Let's see, I'm gonna pull out the frog again. Walk the bank with it. Jeez, how far am I gonna walk? Just stop. There we go. I knew that was gonna happen. That one started ripping drag. Stay pinned. So this is why I feel like I need this rod. I feel so in control right now. Other times you're like, oh, like don't do this, don't do that. Like just don't throw that hook. You can swim in any, you can swim in anything. All right, that is a nice chunky one for the catch and cook right there. Heck yeah, man. Whew. Try to get that camera angle. See what it ate. But you're going on the stringer, buddy. Awesome. Appreciate you. Let's get one more look at it.